Hello and welcome to this simple tutorial on using 7-zip command line interface to zip up a file and encrypt it. I struggled to find anywhere online that had a simple tutorial on how to do this, so I thought I would create one myself. We can start off, we can see on the desktop that I've created a folder called test and have an Excel document in there called book 1. I've also installed 7-zip onto my C drive, as you can see here. Now, in order to get this to work on the command line, we need to open a command prompt within this directory. And the easiest way I found to do this is if you hold the Shift key and right click, you will see Open Command window here. So this automatically gives you the program file 7-zip rather than having to navigate it to there. Now, for the command line, what we need is we need to type in 7z, so that calls the executable. You can have .exe if you like, but you actually don't need it for this. Then we need to type in the A. So this is the archive. So we're telling 7z to archive off the folder. So we do the -w now. So this is the set working location. One thing that you will have to do is to create a folder on your C drive. You can just call this anything that you like. You can even use any folder. It's just I used the C drive for this. Sorry, just putting a slash here. So if we actually go to my C drive, we'll see that I've just created a folder there called 1. Any folder will do. Then from there, now we then tell it exactly what we want to zip it as. So that's the switch is called -t 7z. Now, I have tried to use zip for this, but it didn't work properly. 7z seems to be, it works perfectly. So from there, then we will put in the location. So we have to use the exact location. I actually have this copied off screen. I'm just going to copy it here. Paste. So we see there C users, Walsh T, which is my name, desktop test book 1, 7z. So that is where it is archiving to. So that's not the file that we are trying to archive, that's the file that we're archiving to. The next bit of code is where we are archiving to. So I also have this copied to make life easier. We paste in there. So this is the file that we are archiving. So that is this file here. So now all we need to do is put in a password, and the switch for that is -p. Without a space, then we type in a password. I'm just going to use pass as the password. Now if I press enter, theoretically everything should work fine. I still compress 1. Brilliant. And we can see here now that there's a zip file there with book 1, and if I try to open it, I need the password. And we can see that is our file. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.